Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos. So Cosmos is also one of the charts that potentially looks good. Yeah, so it is one of the stronger charts in the field at the moment. We can consider all of this move up all the way to $12.40 as a wave 1 impulse with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subwave count. And then here possibly a so-called running flat pattern. We talked about that in the previous video. 4 days ago I made the last video about Cosmos, 5 days ago, and I think, we were down here, yeah, and I talked about we can count 5 waves as complete. So at any moment in time, especially as long as 997 are holding, we need to be aware that this move down in a wave C could be complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since then we have seen a move up. It's not ideal, it looks a bit choppy. But I told you here that the first evidence that we are going up is the break above $11.40. Now that happened and a move above, and that led to basically a 13.5% increase. Now the next target for the bulls needs to be, by the way, we also broke above the previous wave 1 high, which is bullish. The next breakout level is here the 13.46 level. Now we are in a range, as you can see here, but a move above that level would probably play out the wave 3 target. So this is what the market needs to prove to us and sort of have as evidence that the bullish case is really working out here. But it should take us to around $21, provided that we indeed are breaking out above this level, hold it, and then move higher, obviously. Yeah. So this can take us to $21. I think on the way we've got this significant swing high here at $20.40. So I wouldn't necessarily bet that we are going to reach the $21. I think that level here is certainly one that we need to keep an eye on. But this is certainly what could play out here if we are already there. If we hold this level, we also need to hold the previous wave 1 high at $12.40. So if we now drop below that level, that again wouldn't be a good signal. Yeah. So we want to hold $12.40 while pushing higher, getting above the wave B high at $13.40. And this is then a good scenario where we could consider, yes, we are pushing higher. Yes, this could also be a triangle. Yeah. For example, where we have here in a wave, we've already done the wave A, and then the wave B might be a triangle, but it's too early to really say that. A, B, C, D, E, and then we come down once more in a C, and we'll then see the wave 2. But for now, I mean, this was not a convincing wave 2. We need to say that as well. Yes, we can see 5 waves. A running flat, though, is generally a rare pattern. So I have my doubts about it. But again, from a trading point of view, yeah, we are above the 50-day moving average. We have broken above key levels. There's one more left here, and that would free up the way to $20.40. So it's all about how you balance your risk management and if you keep an eye on these crucial levels, because they need to hold, then we can push higher. So we moved above that section here, those highs, the wave 1 high, the wave B is still left to do. But again, moving above that level at 13.50, 13.40, holding it and pushing higher would take us to that level. And that is sort of what we could go with at the moment. Alternatively, if we lose here the swing low, as I said, at 9, basically at $10, then we still have to expect a wave 2 in at a lower level. That would then be the scenario where the wave B is a triangle. So we could say this was a wave A, then we moved up here in a triangle pattern and would then eventually come down lower. So basically this was the A, that would then be the B, and the C is coming down. A wave B can be a triangle. The wave 2 would then be here. And then we would have to expect lower levels, of course, have another chance to accumulate lower. That level would then be between here between the, again, $10 level, yeah, or $9.80. That's the 38.2% fib level. But actually I would mainly expect lower, so the 50% level at $9 and basically $9, and possibly all the way down to the 78.6% fib level at $7. Only if we drop below $7, I think this entire scenario of it being bullish will be seriously questioned, and we have to focus on the bearish case. These are the key levels that we need to keep an eye out for at the moment. It is looking interesting. It is looking good. Still time to be on the side of caution, but we always have to be as traders, yeah, or if you're trading. And that's basically where we are. I mean, we can also add here the volume profiles onto the chart. You can see that the level where we bounced off from was a volume peak. So that was a good indication why we actually moved up from here. As I said, we could also count 5 waves as complete, pushed higher from here. There's another volume spike around the $9 level that would probably provide some significant support if we come down lower as well. But you can see that on the way higher, there isn't really a lot in terms of historical volume. So yeah, a breakout above the wave B high could really push us to that $20.40 level. And that's my update about Cosmos. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.